Dear student, the last video we have started rank of a matrix. Rank of a matrix plays a very important role in our matrices and determinants, and in that we completed the first method, that is minor method, and now we are in the second method, that is row reduction method. It is plays a very vital role in our exercise 1.6 and 1.7, and so you have to concentrate more in this part. Now, what is your rank of matrix? Small revision. Rank of matrix, highest order of non-vanishing minor. So that is called your rank of matrix. Now, question number 2. Find the rank of the matrix when matrix is given. You have to find by row reduction method. Suppose your question, find the rank of the matrix. You can select any one method to complete the question. But it is particularly mentioned row reduction method. You have to follow row reduction method. Or it is minor method, you have to follow minor method. So it is clear. Now we will start with the row reduction method. It is given your A equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 3, and 1, minus 1, plus 1. Okay. So first I need 1. Luckily I have 1. So this 3 places we need 0. So what I am doing, for R2 tends to R2 minus 3R1. So why it is 3R1? Here you have 3, so it is 3R1. That's it. Your R2 value 3 minus 1, 2. 3R1 value, this value into 3, that becomes 3, 6 minus 3. Subtraction, so minus plus 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, minus 1 minus 6 minus 7, 3 plus 2 5. So this is your new R2, and your R3 tends to R3 minus R1, because here you have 1. So your R3 is, this is your R2, this is your 3R1. So we will write minus 3R1. Now we are writing R3. R3 is R3 1 minus 2 3, and your R1 is 1 2 minus 1. So now the subtraction, minus plus. So 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 and plus 4. This is your R3, new R3. This is your R2, and the R4, your R4 tends to, here you have 1, so R4 tends to R4 minus R1. Your row 4 is 1 minus 1, 1, and your R1 is 1 2 minus 1. So again subtraction, minus plus, 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 1 plus 1 2. So I found out all the 3 zeros in the first column. So our new equivalent matrix A is given by 1 0 0 0. For R1 no change, 1 2 minus 1. R2, this is your R2, 0 minus 7 5, 0 minus 7 5, and your R3 0 minus 4 4, minus 4 4, and your R4 is 0 minus 3 2. So my first part is over. Next, where I have to change these 2 places, I need 0. Triangular form, it will come like this. So these 2 places, how I can make it as 0? Your R3, here I need 0, so this is your R3 and R4. So your R3, you have minus 4, so it is minus 7. So you have to multiply this number, that is minus 7 here and minus 4 here, then only you will get 0. So what I am doing, R3 tends to 7R3 minus 4R2. So it is clear. So you have to interchange the number and multiply, that's it. So it is 7R3. 7 times R3, it becomes 0 minus 28 plus 28. And 4 times R2. So 4 times R2 is 0 minus 28, 20. Subtraction minus plus minus. So it becomes 0, 0. It is 8. This is your new R3. So it is clear. Now again your R4, row 4 tends to, here you have minus 3, here you have minus 7. So 7 times R4 minus 3 times R2. 7 times R4 tends to 0, minus 21 and 14. At the same time 3 times R2 tends to 0, minus 21 and 3 5s are 15. Again subtraction minus plus minus. So 0, 0, minus 1. So it is clear. So new again A is equivalent to 1, 2, minus 1. R2 no change, 0, minus 7 and 5. And here it is 0, 0, 8, 0, 0, minus 1. 0, 0, minus 1. So next here I am going to make 0. So why here I am selecting? We need triangular form. So this only you will get triangular form. So how to make it as this place 0 with using of R3 and R4. So your R4 tends to, here you have 8. So we will multiply R4 by 8. 8 R4 plus R3. So 8 R4 you will be getting 0. 8 times R4 it is 0, 0, minus 8. And R3 is 0, 0, 8. So again subtraction, so no addition. It is 0, 0, 0. Next equivalent matrix is 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 7, 0, minus 7 and 5, 0, 0, 8, 0, 0, 0. So now this is your echelon form. So this is called echelon form. We call triangular form of zeros. Therefore row of A equal to 3. Why? Because the number of non-zero rows is 3. That's it. Therefore, you can write one more sentence. The rank of the matrix is 3. It is clear. So row of A, here itself you can stop, or if you need one more step you can write. So this is clear. So one by one you can practice 2 times, then only it is easy. Now we come to the third question. Okay, the question number 2, the last one, matrix is given. What is your order? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 3 by 4. Therefore, your row of A is less than or equal to minimum of 3, 4. Right? So, what is minimum of 3, 4 is 3. This is all for your reference. Right? So, if you are writing like this, it is easily you can identify the answer. Now your A is given. Once again we will rewrite. It is 3 minus 8, 5, 2. And 2 minus 5 plus 1, 4. all the elements. You don't change only the first two numbers, right? It is clear. So this all your first row, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 2. This all your R3, that is 3, minus 8, 5, 2. So why we are changing like this? When it is the first number is 1, you can easily make the triangular form. So now it is minus 1. So what I am, the next step it will be R1 tends to minus times R1. So it is equivalent to 1 minus 2 minus 3 and plus 2. That is 2 minus 5, 1, 4 and 3 minus 8, 5, 2. So you can ask me the question whether it is minus 1 we can't proceed. You can proceed with the minus 1 also, but it is plus 1 means we can avoid the confusion. So it is clear. So whatever the number you can make it into 1. Now your R2 tends to R2 minus, because you have 2, so minus 2R1. Your R2 is 2 minus 5, 1, 4. This is your R2. And your 2R1, is 2 minus 4 minus 6 and plus 4. 2 minus 4 minus 6 plus 4. Subtraction minus plus plus minus. So 2 minus 2 it is 0. Minus 5 plus 4 minus 1. 1 plus 6 7. 4 minus 4 0. So this is your new R2. And your R3, you have 3. So it will be R3 tends to R3 minus 3R1. Or R3 is 3 minus 8, 5, 2. And your 3R1 is 3 minus 6 minus 9 and plus 6. Again subtraction. So minus plus plus minus. So it is your new R3. It tends to 0. Minus 8 plus 6 minus 2, 5 plus 4 14 and 2 minus 6 minus 4. It is 0 minus 2 14 minus 4. Therefore A is equivalent to your R1 no change, minus 1 that is become plus 1, minus 2 minus 3 2, and your R2 is this one 0 minus 1 7 0, and your R3 0 minus 2 14 and minus 4. So first two places you have 0. For your reference you can write like R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1 and R3 tends to R3 minus 3R1. This all you can do in your rough column, but I am doing in the main part, right? So now the next one, your triangular form is this 3 places. When it is 3 rows, your triangular form this. So now this minus 2 place I need 0. So I am using only the R2. So R3 tends to R3 minus of 2 times R2. So you have to understand here, it is not easy for all. Your R3 is minus 2 you have, R2 you have minus 1. So here I need 0 with the using of this minus 1. So R3 you have minus 2, when you are multiplying this by 2 you will get minus 2, subtraction you will get 0. So your new R3 becomes 0 minus 2 14 and minus 4, and 2 times R2 is 0 minus 2 14 and 0. Again subtraction, minus plus minus minus. So it is 0 0 0 minus 4. This is your R3. Therefore your A is equivalent to 1 minus 2 minus 3 and 2, 0 minus 1 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 4. So, but we need only these 3 zeros. You no need to worry about the fourth one. The number of non-zero row, this is row 1. Here you have number, so it is non-zero row. Here also you have 2 number, this is also non-zero row. Here you have only one number, so this is also non-zero row. It is clear. You have to count the number of non-zero row. So tab 4, the number of non-zero rows is 3. Tab 4, the rank of the matrix is 3. That is, your row of A is equal to 3. So that's it. It is clear. So your rank of matrix plays in very important role in our exercise. The next one, you have Cauchy-Jordan method. So what is Cauchy-Jordan method? Finding the inverse. Find the inverse of the matrix by Cauchy-Jordan method. So what is your Cauchy-Jordan method? It is one of the simple method. Your question is given by 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2. So what is your Cauchy-Jordan method? You have to write the matrix and the identity matrix together. So it is you have to write like matrix and the identity matrix. So matrix, identity matrix. You know A inverse is equal to I. It is clear. So we are changing this matrix into this form. That's it. So when you are changing this into this format, the second part will be your inverse. This part will be your inverse. Okay, we will proceed. How your R1 tends to, here I need 1, so R1 tends to R1 by 2. Okay, so what is your R1 by 2? It is two by 2, 1, minus 1 by 2, again 1 by 2, 0, and 5 minus 2, 0, 1. So that is your R1. And here I need 0. Here I need 0. Your R2 tends to R2 minus 5R1. R2 tends to R2 minus 5R1. So here you have 5 minus 2, 0, 1. Or R2. Both sides we have to apply, and 5 times your R1, it is we are multiplying this by 5, so 5 minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 and 0. What is your subtraction? R2 minus 5R1. R2 minus 5R1 minus plus minus. So it is 5 minus 5, 0, minus 2 plus 5 by 2, it is minus 4. So it is plus 1 by 2, it is minus 5 by 2, and this 2 subtraction again 1. So it is clear. Okay, so your R2 tends to R2 minus 5R1. R2 value 5 times R1 value, subtraction 5 minus 5, 0, minus 2 plus 5 by 2, minus 2 plus 5 by 2, it becomes minus 4 plus 5 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Okay, like that. Here 0 minus 5 by 2 is minus 5 by 2, 0 1 minus 0, it is 1. So this is our new R2. R1, it is 1 minus 1 by 2, again 1 by 2, 0, 0, 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 1. So do you understand? Once again I will repeat. This method you have tried A and identity matrix like this. The first the given matrix, whether it is 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, no matter. So this is 2 by 2, it is very simple. 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2. Identity matrix of order 2. So if it is 3 means you can write 3 by 3. So it is 2, 1, 0, 0, 1. You have to make it as this part as 1, 0, 0, 1. This part will represent your inverse. That's it. That is for this method. So here I am having 2. So I am dividing by 2. R1 by 2. You will be getting 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 0. That is easy. So I am writing directly. The second row no change. 5 minus 2, 0, 1. And your R2 here I need 0. This place I am making as 0. So R2 tends to R2 minus 5 times R1. R2 value 5 minus 2, 0, 1. And 5 R1 is 5 minus 5 by 2. And then this will be plus 5 by 2, 0. When you are subtracting, now I am changing the sign. So you don't confuse with the sign changes. R2 tends to R2 minus 5 times R1. 5 minus 5, 0. This calculation here. And this will be this answer. Okay. So the next you are having 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 0. And R2 is 0, 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2, 1. So next, this place I need 1. Identity matrix. How it will be your identity matrix? 1, 0, 1, 0. So for these two places you have to use R1. And for these two places you have to use R2. So R2 I need first 1. So your R2 tends to, so how will you get here 1? 1 by 2 into one number equal to 1, that is 2 times R2. You have to throw out multiply by 2, then only you will get 1. No, I am no need to worry about this part and this part. Only I am considering this part. So it is equivalent to, this also equivalent to 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. And this will be 0, 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. 2 into minus 5 by 2 is minus 5. And 2 into 1 is 2. Do you understand? I am multiplying this number by 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 1 by 2, 1. 2 into minus 5 by 2, minus 5. 2 into 1 is 2. Now I am having 1 here. So it is easily we can make it as this part is 0. So your R1 tends to, now R1 tends to R1 plus 1 by 2 R2. So how we are getting the number? Here 1, this is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 only will get 0. So here you have 1. So we are multiplying now this by 1 by 2. So your R1 no change. R1 tends to 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. Your R2 tends to 1 by 2 times R2. This 0 into 1 by 2 is 0. 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Minus 5 into 1 by 2 is minus 5 by 2. And again 2 into 1 by 2 you will get 1. Once again I am repeating. 1 by 2 into 0, 0. 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Minus 5 into 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. Again addition, r1 plus 1 by 2 r2, it is 1 plus 0 is 1, and minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 0, minus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it will be 4 by 2 minus, and 0 plus 1, it is 1. Do you understand? Minus 4 by 2 plus 2 is minus 2. So that is equivalent to 1. This one is 0 and this one is minus 2 plus 1. R2 0, 1, minus 5 and plus 2. So what is your A inverse? Therefore your A inverse is nothing but minus 2 plus 1 minus 5 and plus 2. You can check with your direct inverse method. So what is your direct inverse method? Verification. This also for your reference, no need to do in your exam. So your A is given by 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2. So what is your determinant of A? Determinant of A is minus 4 plus 5 equal to 1. Therefore A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Our determinant is 1, so A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A. So what is your adjoint of A? Interchanging the diagonal elements. Interchanging the diagonal elements 2 and minus 2. It become minus 2 and plus 2. Changing the off diagonal elements, that become plus 1 and minus 5. So that is your answer. Okay. So this is your, that's it. So you can check with your verification. This part no need in your exam hall. For your reference only this one. The next question will be one of the example. So these are the assignment problem. Question number 1. 2 by 2 matrix 0, 5, minus 1, 6. Okay, this is why this method, Cauchy-Jordan method. And question number 2. 2, 1, 1 and 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So what you have to do? First make this number as 1, step 1, and these two places you have to use R1. Okay, R1, and after completing these two, use R2. Okay, these two use R2, and question number step 3, these two places use R3. So what I am saying, make this number as 1 and these two numbers 0. Step 2. And step 3, make this number as 1 and make these two as 0 with the using of R2. And step 3, make this number as 1 and this 2 becomes 0. It is clear? So this 3 by 3 is not an easy part. It's a very tricky question. So first this number 1, make this 2 0, and this number is 1, make these two number as 0, and this number is 1, make this two number as 0. You will get the answer with using of Cauchy-Jordan method. If you have any difficulties, we will see that next video with the starting of this question or some other question we will do. Right? So that's it. Thank you.